I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best peri peri chicken. Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making peri peri chicken. Our previous peri peri chicken got almost 2 million views, so I wanted to thank everyone who have watched the video. I'm gonna serve this peri peri chicken with peri peri fries, mayonnaise, some of the garlic bread, and you need to watch till the end of the video for a surprise. This peri peri chicken is gonna be much better than Nandos. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with prepping our chicken. I'm using a full chicken here. Now mainly there's two ways you can cut up this chicken. You can either spatchcock it, remove the backbone, or you could reverse spatchcock the chicken, cut through the breast. So for the reverse spatchcock method, grab your knife. Now you want to slice the breast in the middle, just where the bone is, and cut through the bone using a sharp knife. Now you want to turn the chicken around and press it down, and there you have your reverse spatchcock chicken. Now you could also add some cuts to the chicken, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now you want to season on both sides with a good touch of black pepper, some of this cayenne pepper, salt, and some of our peri peri salt. Now massage the seasoning properly and try to go under the skin as well. You could also use legs, any other parts of the chicken. With or without skin, it's really up to you, but the skin will be better. Now for the most amazing peri peri chicken, you want to leave it to brine in the fridge for a few hours or overnight for best results. This will add a lot of flavor to your chicken. Now I'm going to show you the authentic way of making peri peri marinade. This one's going to be a slightly hot version of the peri peri marinade. First of all, in with a small red onion, with the fresh garlic cloves, with the zest of 2 lemons. It's going to add a bit of the freshness that we're looking for, a really nice citrus flavor. And here I'm using whole lemons without the skin. Make sure to remove all the seeds. For the chilies, I'm using bird's eye, which is the key part of this peri peri marinade. You want to use around 15 to 20 of these for a hot peri peri marinade. We're also going to use some of these green and serrano chilies to add a more heat and flavor to our peri peri marinade. Make sure to wash and clean them properly before using them. And the fresher they are, the better it will be. Here with the tomato paste, here with the smoked paprika, cayenne pepper. For the herbs, I'm using oregano, dried or fresh rosemary. We're going to balance the flavors with some sugar. Here with the salt, white or distilled vinegar. Finish with a good touch of sunflower oil, and finally some water so we can blend this and get the right consistency. Now cover and blend this until it's nice and smooth. Trust me, this is one of the best peri peri marinade that you're gonna try. It's gonna be so delicious. Let's check our marinade. Oh, smells amazing. Our delicious hot peri peri marinade done. Have a little taste. It's so delicious. Has a bit of serious kick to it. It's known for the kids. Now grab your chicken and make sure to bring it to room temperature. Now add a generous amount of peri peri marinade onto there. Trust me, this is one of the best peri peri chicken that you're gonna try. We're gonna use some of the marinade later when we are grilling the chicken. Wash your hands and give this a really good mix. Massage the marinade properly and try to go under the skin as well. Oh, that looks beautiful. Now if you want, you can leave it to marinate for another hour, or you can just start cooking. Now ideally you want to flame grill the chicken, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna grill the chicken and then finish in the oven. Now to grill the chicken, turn up the heater on medium high, spread some oil onto there. Now when the pan is nice and hot, let's place our chicken breast side down. Make sure everything is touching the pan. Now we're going to flip the chicken every 4 to 5 minutes until it's 60 to 70% done. And then we're going to finish in the oven. Like I said, you could flame grill this or barbecue this if you have that. Make sure to open the kitchen windows. Things are about to get hot in here. And now let's carefully turn the chicken. Again, just make sure everything is touching the pan. Let's start to add some of our marinade. Let's turn the chicken again. Bismillah. Brush it with more marinade. And finally some more marinade on the top. Alright, the chicken looks great. Let's remove it onto an oven tray. Now the main reason for finishing this in the oven is we want to reach the internal temperature of 75 Celsius. Season with a light touch of salt and pepper and some of our peri peri salt, and finally spray with a light touch of oil. Now this goes into our preheated oven at 200 Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. Now to make our mayonnaise in with the 2 large egg yolks, with the Dijon mustard, with the fresh lemon juice. You could also use vinegar instead. Give that a really good mix and combine everything. Now very gradually we're going to start incorporating our infused oil until the mayonnaise comes together. If you're not comfortable doing this with your hands, you can also do this in the blender. Now for the peri peri mayonnaise, you have 2 options. You can either cook the marinade and use that in the mayonnaise, or you don't have to cook it at all. Personally, I like a bit raw. With the peri peri marinade, with the mustard, a bit of this pickle juice which is optional, and a little bit of more vinegar. Season with freshly grounded black pepper, salt, finally some of this cayenne and white pepper. Give that a really good mix and combine everything. Our amazing peri peri mayonnaise. Done. Have a little taste and adjust any seasoning if you need to. For the peri peri salt, with the bird's eye chili, paprika, garlic and onion powder, some of this lemon pepper seasoning, a little bit of MSG, rosemary powder, and finally some salt. Now give that a mix and set aside for later use. Alright guys, for our peri peri fries, with your crispy fries obviously, some of these brown onions, red onions, spring onions, fresh bird's eye chili, and with our peri peri salt, and some of this parsley. These are much better than Nandos. Alright guys, our amazing peri peri chicken is done. It looks so mouth-watering, trust me. Alright guys, let's plate this open with your chicken, our peri peri fries, peri peri mayonnaise. Trust me, this is one of the best peri peri chicken that you're gonna try. It's gonna be much better than Nandos. I'm also serving it with some of this garlic bread and some of our leftover sauce. For our mango mocktail, and with the fresh mangoes, some of this nectarine, lemon, a few mint leaves, touch of this sugar, and you want to muddle this. Squeeze in a touch of orange, some of this fresh mango juice, elderflower cordial, and with the ice, and with the soda water. Garnish over some of this fresh mint. That looks so refreshing. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks amazing, trust me. Let's try those fries first along with the peri peri mayonnaise. Bismillah. Wow, that is so delicious. The sauce has a bit of kick to it. It's so nice. Well seasoned fries, much better than Nandos, trust me. Okay, so let's try our chicken now, look at that. Bismillah. Wow. This is so delicious, trust me. The sauce is a bit tangy, has a really nice kick to it, you know, I love it. And the chicken is so juicy, you know. The sauce is so refreshing and so pleasant on your mouth, you know. The chicken is so mouth-watering, look at that. Alright guys, let's try our mango mocktail, bismillah. Wow. It is so refreshing. You can taste a bit of the elderflower, the mint, the lemon. So nice. Oh, what an amazing way to end your dinner. As I mentioned before, this is a hot peri peri chicken. If you like a medium, check out one of my previous videos on peri peri chicken. Oh, that peri peri chicken was so delicious. Much better than Nandos. Can we please get this video to 10,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.